Hello guys, welcome back to Python Django series. In this video I discuss about the Python Django filters, and I also show you how to implement the Django filters in your project. Let's start it. First I need to install Django filters by using a command line pip install Django underscore filter. Notice that we write Django filter, not filters, only filter. Okay. And it already installed. Let's go to the Sublime text. Now I need to go to the main project folder. Here test project, then go inside the settings.py file, and inside the install apps we need to define Django filters. Notice that we are using filters here, Django filters, not filter. When we installed the Django filter library, we use Django filter, and in the installed app section we define that Django filters like this. Don't forget it. Now let's go inside the student app folder, and I create a filters.py file, filters.py, import Django filters, then define a class filter. I give a name which is filter student info. Let's pass Django filter, Django underscore filters dot filter set. Define a meta class inside the main class, and also define the model, and go to the model.py, and I choose student info model class. Let's import here dot model import student info. Nice. Let's define here and define also the fields there like this, single quote. Let's check the model.py files. In the student table, in the student info table, we have several fields: student name, ID number, department, age, and CGPA. First one is student underscore name, then the next one is ID now, next department, then age, and finally CGPA. That's it. let's go to the views.py files and import this filter student info class here from dot filters import filter student info. Okay, let's define a function. I will perform a search operation using Django filters. That means I will use this class for performing a search operation. Define the function name, the function search student info request let's write a query student, mention the table name which is student info table dot objects dot all. We grab all of the data from the table. Next, filters equal to, right, define the filters class, just call from views.py from inside the search info function request dot get then write a query set and we should pass student here. Define a dictionary context give a key name filters then values filters return render request HTML file name which should be located inside the student folder. That's why I put here student folder. Let's give a HTML file name search student dot HTML. Let's pass the dictionary context here and create the HTML file inside the student folder. Okay, let's define a HTML header tag, close the tag and write a class name align center. I want to see the header in the center of the page. Search student info define a HTML form tag method should be get close the tag and print the filters which is the key of the dictionary context dictionary. Yeah, this key dot form, and we need a button which is search. Type submit, then value should be search. Okay, and then go to the views.py and save it, and then go into the urls.py and define a new path, search student, and we need the function search student info, and we don't need to import here because we are using static. All of the functions from the views.py should be imported automatically. Okay, let's give a name, search student, put the comma at the end. Okay, let's run the project. Python manage.py run server. Okay, nice. Go to the web browser. It's running, and just check. Yeah, it works. Sorry, no, we put the wrong URL path. Search student. Yeah, it works, and we can see our search bar. Nice search bar. Okay, let's go into the views. No, search student.html. Okay, just put a horizontal line. Yeah, I defined another form, and method should be get. Then I define a table, HTML table, border should be 1, and then table row, the first one, let's copy it. Oh, sorry, yeah, no. Then go and set the table row, table head, close the tag. Let's copy it and paste it for 4 times. Okay, the first one is student name, the second one ID, third one department, fourth one age, and fifth one is CGPA. Okay, let's define a for loop. Yeah, for item in, and we pass this filter keys. Yeah, dot qs. Close the for loop. In for Okay, let's define another table row and then table data, and then copy it and paste it for 4 times, and then print the wait okay, let's print item, this one, item dot student name, the database field name. Okay, and let's do the same thing here, item dot id underscore number. Okay, then this one should be department, and here this one should be age, and here this one should be the final one, CGPA. Okay, let's go to the browser. Okay, just keep a nice shape. No, we just want to see the table in the center of the page. Let's put the align center. Okay, let's check it again. Nice. Okay, we have 3 data in the student info table. One is James, department cognitive science, Alice, cognitive science, Craig, computing science. Okay, let's check the department first, computing science, search. Okay, nice, we can see here Craig, the department name is computing science. Okay, let's check with cognitive science. Okay, nice, we can see. Let's check it by cognitive department and age, which is 22. Great. Thank you for watching. I will give the GitHub link in the description of the video, and I hope we will see in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Bye.